27-year-old Romario Ricardo Sterling of Burke Road, Old Harbour, St. Catherine, was shot and killed during an alleged shootout with the police in Bogwalk on Thursday night. It is reported that about 8 p.m. the police went on an operation in Pineapple Lane community of Bogwalk, and they were greeted by gunfire from Sterling upon entering the premises. The Independent Commission of Investigations has commenced a probe into the police fatal shooting of a man in Paul Island, Westmoreland on Thursday. The deceased has been identified as 29-year-old Andre Davidson of addresses in Aboukir, St. Anne, and Paul Island, Westmoreland. Davidson was reportedly killed during an alleged confrontation with lawmen. Further details regarding the incident have not been revealed. The police are reporting that a high-point 9mm pistol fitted with a magazine containing 9 rounds of ammunition was also seized. The matter is also being investigated by the Inspectorate and Professional Standards Oversight Bureau. The man was reportedly shot over 40 times by 3 gunmen at her business establishment in Darlington, Westmoreland on Thursday. She has been identified as 32-year-old Sudeen Hilton, otherwise called Pinky, from New Roads in the community. The incident happened about 3:45 p.m. at Lee and Chin Fashion Black Clothes Store located at New Roads, Darlington in the parish. Reports from the police are that Hilton was pounced upon by 3 men armed with handguns who immediately opened gunfire at her, hitting her multiple times. Observer Online understands that the gunmen then escaped in a waiting white Toyota Auxlio motor car in the direction of Bethel. Hilton was later reportedly found by relatives lying face down on the floor inside her shop, suffering from what appears to be gunshot wounds to her head and upper body. The police were then summoned to the scene. When the police processed the scene, 1 blood sample 10.45 spent casings, 4.40 spent casings, 25 9mm spent casings, 5 damaged bullets, 8 bullet fragments, and 1 cell phone was retrieved. She was transported to Savannah Public Hospital, where she was pronounced dead.